The death penalty is often said by some states to be the most restraining form of punishment because once the condemned offender is executed, there's no possibility of reoffending. However, there has been a clamour for abolishing capital punishment as it neither gives room for correction nor guarantees 100% that innocent life will not be taken. As the tally of African countries abolishing capital punishment hits 23, News Central's Niyi Omoniyi sheds light on the controversy around this subject along constitutional, ethnic, and religious lines.
The first death sentence historically recorded occurred in 16th century BC, Egypt, when the wrongdoer, a member of the nobility, was accused of magic and ordered to take his own life. From its earliest days in ancient Egypt, the death penalty has been skewed against a particular demographic. Likewise, the death penalty became a means to discourage individuals from carrying out violent crimes, especially murder. In countries with a weak or unreliable judicial system, the offenders mostly face an out-of-court vigilante justice, fondly referred to as jungle justice. This has, meantime, not changed the demographics most affected by capital punishment, with innocent lives caught in the mix.
Given the evolution of international human rights law and jurisprudence and state practice, and cognizant of the progressive work undertaken by the Commission's own working group on death penalty extrajudicial summary arbitrary killings in Africa, the Commission considers it increasingly difficult to envisage a case in which the death penalty can be found to have been applied in a way that is not in some way arbitrary. As a result, it is difficult to conceive that if called upon in future to do so, that the Commission will find that the death penalty, however it is executed, is any longer compatible with the African Charter.
Religion has also influenced death penalty laws in Africa, and in many cases, still bolsters support for capital punishment across the continent today.
Using the Sharia, especially in connection with the prescription of capital punishment, does not have the potential to spread evil, and not, it is rather meant to protect us.
In the law of Moses, the capital punishment was specified for a number of offenses. But let's look at what we have. That's in the Old Testament, like I said. Testament is just like an agreement, laws, rules. In the New Testament that Jesus came for, Jesus is a giver of life. And so, standing on his New Testament, it will be improper for us to make death as a punishment for all sins.
40 years ago, no country in Africa had abolished the death penalty for all crimes. But there has been significant progress against the death penalty, with 23 African countries abolishing the framework of capital punishment as a way of meting out justice.
Our research and other research that's been done has shown that it actually doesn't, in the long term, result in a decline in crime. This is really, really positive, a positive step for us, and we hope that it also inspires other countries that still have the death penalty to take similar steps. Unfortunately, countries like Botswana and South Sudan still do execute people, and we will continue calling on them to abolish that practice and to respect the right to life.
It is only hoped that the African continent become fully abolitionist in no distant time. Niyi Omoniyi, News Central.